Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to post video on Reddit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Reddit application. Then tap on Create at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the play button icon. Then tap on the video that you want to upload. Tap on the add button. You can adjust the video if you want to. Once you're done, tap Next. Add the title. You can add body text if you want to. Once you're done, tap Next. Now select the community. You can add tags and flair. Once you are done, tap on the post button. And this is how you can post video on Reddit. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.